Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect and add any server on Nintendo Switch Minecraft. So they got rid of the add server option, so what we need to do is go down to system setting right here and go to internet, and then go to the right and go to internet settings and connect to your internet. And we need to change the settings around, so this will allow you to connect to any server. So let's go to my currently connected internet and go to change settings. So just select there on it, and then we can go to here and we want to go to DNS settings, go to manual here and set automatic, then go to the primary and delete everything under here and type in 45.55.68.52. Then for the secondary, I'm just going to leave it how it is and then go to save. And then I'm going to go back to Minecraft. Make sure you close Minecraft down and then reopen it up. Now with Minecraft loading up, that and then go to play and then connect to the external server. And this also works on the Xbox, PlayStation. You just have to change your primary DNS, and then we have the option to connect to the server. Just type in the server address, the port, and the name right there. Otherwise, you can just go to the manage server list and add a server under here, and then you can just come back to this section. It will be saved and then you're good to go. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.